This is a story of my family. For years, we've endeavoured to connect farming, fashion, and sustainability. Australian farm life runs in our blood, and for generations we have grown, lived, and worked on the land. I'm Jennifer, the founder of iPharmassons, a brand that connects nature and fashion, ethics and aesthetics. A brand that supports innovation in farming and a renaissance of the traditions and soul of fashion. I've dedicated my life to the fashion handbag world. I'm an awarded product creator working for years with luxury global brands. My vision? Farm to closet. In harmony with nature. Reducing impact. Protecting the future. How? Meet GrappaSac, the bag for every woman. Made from grape leather, an innovative biomaterial that's sustainable, zero waste, and vegan. Using the byproduct of the winemaking process, stalks, skins, and seeds, repurposed into a material that's kind to the environment. A leather alternative that is lightweight, durable, water-resistant, and 100% sustainable. Guilt-free fashion, powered by science. GrappaSac is not just a backpack. It's your bag for any day, any night, any outfit, any occasion. Made to complement the shape of your body. On the go, or at the office. It adapts to your life, your style. GrappaSac is designed to be an essential day-to-night bag. The easy convertible system allows a fast change. Everyday functionality for the busy, modern woman. A backpack, a shoulder bag, crossbody, or clutch. 4 styles in one timeless design. True quality lies in the small details, interior pockets and dividers, a space for all your essentials and treasures, keeping you organised and efficient. Our signature grape charm symbolises our relationship with farm and fashion. This is our story. A dream that began on a farm. A vision for a better future. Join us where form and fashion meet. Let's bring GrappaSac to life, together.
All tech all the time.